Are you traveling to the Philippines or are you traveling from the Philippines to other countries? If you are, then therefore this video is just for you. We will be talking about the Traze app. A lot of you are asking, what is this Traze app? You will know more about this when you watch this video. So let's discuss what is a Traze app, and at the same time, what are the step-by-step procedure in registering for this app. So with that, everyone, looking forward that you'll enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jamey Iris and welcome to my Talk TV. Now this Talk TV talks about different topics that will be very helpful for you if you're a traveler and you'll either be traveling to the Philippines or from the Philippines. I definitely will be bringing different episodes just for you. Now this episode is very special because a lot of you kept asking me, Jamey, what is this Traze app? Now this Traze app, again, international travelers traveling to the Philippines, you are required to download this and register for this app. And same thing, if you'll be traveling from the Philippines, you will be required also to download this app and complete the registration. But what is this all about? And how do we actually complete the step-by-step process of this Traze app? And that is something that we will discuss for this video. But before that, I simply want to say welcome everyone to my channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back and thank you for tuning in again and joining me for this episode. And if this is your first time to join us and view my channel, I simply want to say welcome to, and please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get to know more about the videos that I'm uploading, information and inspiring videos that will be very helpful for you. And of course, on top of that, travel protocols, guidelines. That's something that we are sharing to all our viewers. So looking forward that you'll be part of our community. Now, to continue, everyone, let us just take a look about the topics that we'll be discussing about Traze app. Today, we will be talking about Traze app that we use either for arrival and departure from the Philippines. This is a mandatory requirement. You have to download the Traze app and register for this. Now, for today, the first topic that we will be discussing is about what is a Traze app. And number 2, who are required to install the Traze app. Number 3, where is it used? Number 4, how to register. Number 5, you can register as. And number 6, how to activate your Traze account. So all of this we will be talking about. Let's start with the first topic. Now for the first topic. Oh, by the way, before I share that, all of the information that I will be sharing to you is from the www.traze.ph, the official website of Traze app. Now, according to this website, in the raging battle against COVID-19, Cosmotech Philippines, in cooperation with the Philippine Ports Authority or PPA, had launched the Traze Contact Tracing app. Now, Traze is a nationwide and unified contact tracing app that automates the manual contact tracing by using QR code scanning, such that the tracing process done usually in several days can now be achieved in just a matter of few minutes. Now, what usually will happen is an in-app notification will be sent to all of you who may have come in contact with an identified COVID-19 if there is any. So once they identified a COVID-19 positive patients, so that you can also observe the proper precautions and start self-isolation as needed if symptoms occur to protect your family and loved ones. So again, this actually makes it the process more efficient compared to manual tracing. Now the question is who is required to install the Traze app? Now this is mandatory for all individuals who are departing and arriving at any Philippine airport. Children and infants may be registered under the parents' Traze account. Now you in your account, adults or parents, you will have what we call the family member button, and you can simply register your children or infants in this family member. button, and then the same may be done for seniors, or they can simply proceed to the members, or they can proceed to the Malasakit or Traze help desk for a printed QR code. So, and in addition to this, so when we say everyone, it means all Filipino nationals and all foreigners traveling to the Philippines and departing from the Philippines. So everyone should be completing this form. Now, where is it used? Now, you can use it, number one, at the airport entrance, just before you enter the airport terminal building. Number two, at the check-in counter. Each counter has a unique Traze code. Passengers need to scan it or ask the staff to scan it for them. Number three, you can use it as well at the immigration counter. For international passengers, the Traze QR code will also be scanned upon clearing immigration checks. And then number four, departure gate. Now, Traze QR will also be scanned before boarding the aircraft. Number five, at the arrival gate. So if you are a traveler arriving in the Philippines, you must also scan your code upon arrival at the airport. And then next one, at the baggage claim. Each baggage carousel has a unique Traze QR code which you also have to scan. And last but not the least, at the airport taxi. Now, if you're taking any airport land transportation, you must also scan the Traze code. So those are the areas or locations where the Traze app actually is used. Now, let us just take a look at the topic, how to register for Traze app. So how to register for Traze app? So this is what we will do. Number one, install the app on your mobile phone. Traze app is available on the following: App Store for iPhone and iOS users, Google Play Store for other Android users, Samsung Galaxy Store, and Huawei App Gallery. Now, after installing this, everyone, number two, click on the Start Tracing button. Now, terms and use will appear. Then just simply after reading this, please click I agree. Now, number three, click register. You can register either as individual, establishment, transportation, barangay, or delivery crew. For you as a traveler, please select individual. Then number four, Traze privacy policy will appear. Once again, please read this, and then once you've read it, if you agree, please click I agree. Number five, provide the following details. So please ensure that you type the correct information, your username, password, first and last name, contact number, email address, country, town or city of residence, and all that are required to complete. Number six, later on, once you completed what you need to complete, you will be asked for a profile picture. So this is needed in order for you to proceed. So you have a choice. Either you can upload a picture that is in your gallery, or you can take a picture from your camera. Number seven, once complete, please click submit. Number eight, verification code will appear, and then enter it and submit. Number nine, you can now log into Traze app and activate your account. Number 10, another verification code will appear, enter it, and then done, everyone. So it only will take you just a few minutes to complete the download and at the same time the registration of the Traze app. So once you're done with it, everyone, you will have your Traze ID and your QR code. So everyone, I hope you were able to follow the instructions and you're able to download your Traze app, and at the same time, you're able now to register for it. So if you have further questions, please type it down on the comment box. And again, looking forward, you find this video helpful and informative. If you do, please click like so that I will definitely keep on uploading and creating more videos such as this. And at the same time, I would like to invite you once again, for those who have not yet subscribed, to please subscribe to my channel so that you'll always get updated with what is new, what are the updates, and what are the changes. So with that, everyone, once again, this is Jamey Iris Talk TV, and my name is Jamey, and I simply want to say stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you, everyone.